Hey, Coach Derek here from Kikfit Training. Today I want to talk to you about alkalinity versus acidity or circulation versus inflammation. You have something called a pH balance in your body, and basically 7.3 is neutral. Anything higher is more alkaline, anything lower is acidic. Several things cause you to be acidic, which increases the mucus production in your body in over 100 areas of your body, decreasing that blood flow or nutrients into the cells of your body. Number one is going to be water, bottled water in particular, and some tap waters. Making sure that you have water that's alkaline and start your day is very important. I recommend 1 teaspoon of organic baking soda without aluminum in 12 ounces of water to hydrate your cells, as well as releasing ADH or antidiuretic hormone, as hydration is the core to your health. To make sure the water is alkaline, a second way to do it is getting a water filter pitcher to make the water alkaline and remove chlorine, fluorine, and heavy metals. The third way is infuse the waters with lemons, limes, and cucumbers about 100 ounces a day to hydrate your body. The second way is making sure you choose food sources that are organic versus processed with pesticides, chemicals, antibiotics, and nutrient poor soil. So choosing foods, including especially meats, and in eating the fats on the meats is actually very important, as that fat is then converted into vitamin D3, which is the transportation system for all the nutrients into every cell of your body. And about 15 minutes of direct sunlight will do that, or a vitamin D3 supplement, if you will. The third way is making sure that you eat plenty of vegetables and fruits that are organic, in particular the greens that are high in chlorella, which will oxygenate your cells and clean your cells to function at a higher level. The fourth thing that you can do is making sure that you have lower levels of anxiety, worry, and stress, which is going to be television, social media, gossiping, hanging out with negative people, participating in arguments that you don't need to be a part of. That increases this acidity in your body, making you into a sympathetic state or fight or flight versus parasympathetic healing. The last tip I'll give you is getting rid of parasites in your body. And yes, folks, we have parasites. We want to make sure that we limit and minimize the parasites. As they grow bigger, it's going to cause your body to be more acidic, creating a biome or an environment where viruses, bacteria, and cancers can thrive, feed off of that, and get bigger and take over your body, creating dis-ease. So it is very important to go on a regular parasite cleanse several times a year, probably once every 2 months, using things like wormwood, black walnut, and cloves to get rid of these parasites. It's also vitally important to make sure that you have a regular scheduled workout program, aerobic exercise, flexibility, in nature if possible, getting that sunshine and the actual energy from Mother Earth and Father Sun, putting you into a natural innate intelligence for healing and health. These are easy tips to follow to make sure that your body is always alkaline, always healthy, always healing, to reach your very best potential in becoming your own gym anywhere, anytime. I'm Coach Derek from Kikfit Training, and that's my tip of the day.